Okay, so what I have with me here today is the Speed Stick Gear Advanced Performance Fresh Force Scent. It's the antiperspirant deodorant and it has 48-hour protection and it says it's DryCore. If you can see there, it says that this is a 0.5 ounce container. It's a very small container, like it's a very small little thing of deodorant, but that does not pack any different thing into how well it works. I would say the size is probably one of the better things about, well, not like better things about the deodorant, but like it's such a good thing about this deodorant because I have taken this so many places with me. I can literally slip this deodorant in my purse and be so discreet about having this anywhere and nobody questions me at all. Like I can just be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna go to the bathroom, and it'll, like, you can put this literally at the bottom of your purse and the side of your purse and like a purse pocket. Honestly, you could put this in a pants pocket and nobody will think anything of it because of how small it is. And even girls, like in our pants pockets, like our pants pockets are usually a lot less deep than guys' pockets, and I've put this in my pocket and went about my day because I don't usually like to carry a lot of bags or purses or anything like that. And so if I feel like I'm gonna be sweating a lot for the day, or something that I'm gonna just not be as fresh as I should for the day, or like I forget to put deodorant on or something like that and I don't really have time to do it before I head out the door, I'll just slip this in my pocket and go about my day. What I really love about this is a lot of times I'm very busy at college, like I'm a college student, and I don't always have the time to shower every morning. So I'll shower like once in the morning and then I'll go about my day and then go to sleep, and then I'll go about my next day and I won't shower till that following night. And this protects me for literally that entire, like, pretty much 2-day span. And I really like that because it's hard to find a lot of deodorants like that, and this is a great one to do that. I have heard a lot of good things about Speed Stick. My dad has used Speed Stick for as long as I can remember, and obviously my dad's a lot older than me, so he's probably been using it a lot longer than I have been alive, and I've been alive for almost 20 years now, and he has never veered away from Speed Stick, and it's honestly a great brand of deodorant. And I have had a lot of different containers of this Speed Stick deodorant because it's small, so like if I do use it a lot, it runs out very quickly because, you know, deodorant you have to pretty much put on every day, so since it's so small, it runs out kind of quick. But what I like about this is that you don't have to use it a lot, and like you don't have to use a lot of it in order to make yourself smell good. And for girls or for guys, I mean, yeah, girls, this might not be a scent that you want to smell like, but it keeps you smelling fresh. And I feel like that is the number one thing about a lot of deodorants, that like I just want to make sure I smell good and not smell like I just ran a 24-mile marathon or something like that. I don't know. But I just really like it in that aspect of it just keeps me smelling fresh, and I don't necessarily care if it's like a guy deodorant or like a girl deodorant. It smells good to me. I just like to smell like a decent human being. I've actually put my friend onto this, and I don't think she cares about smelling like a girl, like in that aspect either. She really likes using this deodorant. She's actually bought the bigger kind of this Speed Stick deodorant, and she uses it all the time. She doesn't even use girl deodorant anymore, but she's one of the girliest girls I've ever met. But she really likes this deodorant. She uses it all the time. I just use this mostly when I'm, you know, in hurrying situations or I am traveling or something like that, and I need something that's very easily accessible and I can just slip in my pocket or in a book bag or something like that on my way to class, and then maybe just go to the bathroom, put it on, and walk out smelling okay and things like that. So again, it's a very small deodorant. I use it all the time. The smell is just something that I can't get over. It smells so good. Like, you can probably put this on when you're musty and smell like you just took a shower. Like, the smell is like, it's not like super strong, but it makes sure you smell good. I actually got this from, like I said, like my dad, he uses a lot of Speed Stick products, but I actually got this from a like food pantry type thing that we have at my school, and they were giving away a lot of these, and I grabbed some and I was like, whoa, like this is so great, like I can use these all the time. And they were so small, and I was like, well, now I'll have something to use when like I'm in a hurry or I'm in a rush or I need to do something very quickly. And so I just really like these, and I've been getting these from the little food pantry at my school for about, I think, 2 years, I believe, something like along those lines. And I'm pretty sure they weren't that expensive because they were giving a lot of them away, and a lot of stuff they do buy for the little food pantry thing for us at school. So I don't think they were super expensive, and they were super small, so I'm pretty sure it was along those lines. And I think this also came with a razor, which was very great. So again, this is just the Speed Stick Gear Advanced Performance Fresh Force 48-Hour Protection DryCore.